Hey, this from my dude, Jesus. Good looking, family. He got the Jesus engraving on his tooth, y'all. He came through with this logo on his shirt, man, and this is a very dope idea. He went with the 14K rose gold. Get you a little bit darker rose gold. Rose gold also known as pink gold, is one of the most unique styles you can get. As you see, my guy got very nice teeth. Shout out to you, Jesus 206. See you here pretty soon, family. Just want to shoot a little video so you can, your people can see it on the gram. Tell all your people to come check out your new piece, man, before they see it in live action. I would like to say. My dude got really nice teeth, as you can see, top and bottom, 10 on 10, a 20-piece McNugget. Got the rose gold, man, pink gold. As you can see, it's got the logo in pink gold, rose gold. Super shiny, high polished. And he's got the logos in the back with the 14K stamped, of course. We are not messing around in Seattle Gold Grillz. This is on every grills now, y'all. Thank you all guys for all the special requests. My dude came through today, picked up his top. His bottom grill had the logo on the left side, so his top grill, he wanted it on the right side, so we hooked him up. So appreciate y'all for the check-ins, man. And yes, we can put the logos on the front if you want. If you want the Seattle Gold Grillz logo on the front, we got you. Whoever does that, you will be the first one. We're putting them on there, as you can see, with the 14K stamp, so you can know it's 14K rose gold. What is 14K rose gold? Same thing as yellow gold or white gold. It's just 58% gold. The rest is alloy. This one, you use the alloy called zinc to make it pink. Zinc is the same stuff you see in a penny. Pennies are made out of zinc. So if you notice the similarity, it's pink. So gold comes out of the ground as yellow. That's the natural color of gold. Then as you start adding different alloys, say you add nickel or some people add silver, it makes it a white color, which makes it white gold. If you just add a regular yellow gold alloy or a yellow color alloy, to stay the basic color of yellow. The higher you go into gold, the darker it's going to get. So this 14K is slightly a little bit darker than 10K if you want to know the difference. Most jewelry in the United States is made in 14K because it's the best combination of hardness and color/luster. You just learned something again from your guy, Fred, as usual. Thank you guys once again for tapping in. I appreciate all the love and support. My guy will be here very soon, so I wanted to shoot a quick video before he taps in. Let me shoot a video for the website as well. Appreciate y'all and have a blessed week. All right now, peace.